Hello guys and welcome to another new video of Bank Nifty and Nifty. We are going to cover pre-market and post-market analysis on this video, and this is the price action of Bank Nifty on a 5-minute time frame. In this video, we are going to clearly see how today's Bank Nifty 5 market Bank Nifty on a 5-minute time frame has performed, and see how what are the opportunities that should have made us some good bucks as a part of our post market analysis video. And also we will see how the Bank Nifty and Nifty are likely going to perform on a daily time frame to understand how they may act in the market for the coming days. Okay, so to start with, let's dive into the daily time frame of Bank Nifty. So here we are in the daily time frame of Bank Nifty. So if you have noticed, if you have seen our yesterday's video or any of our post market analysis video from the last few days, you would know that yesterday we have said that this is a support. Even this candle is formed day before yesterday also we have marked this area, and we have been talking about this swing low. The significance of this swing low, that it's there is a chance for this to act as a support for the Bank Nifty if it is coming down. Okay, so that is what has happened with the yesterday's candle. Yesterday we have seen a green candle, but we don't know how it's going to end up, because with this green candle we cannot judge that market is going to completely, Bank Nifty is going to completely come back to these levels. But there was a high chance, and also there is another scenario we have discussed in Bank Nifty, that is, see this swing high, there's swing low, and again it has formed a swing high. After that we have seen a swing low somewhere here, and here this becomes our swing high. This becomes the lower high of in the Bank Nifty for the very first time from more than 1.5 month. This is the first lower swing high that we have seen Bank Nifty. And also with the day before yesterday candle, we have seen this swing low getting broke, and we have seen a close below the swing low, which is a negative scenario for the Bank Nifty. But the thing is, after seeing this breakdown from this swing low, it has exactly hovering at this support level. So again it is in a confused state, and from the last few days, see, the from the last few days Bank Nifty is continuously going all the way down, and sometimes up and the down, and sometimes up and some down. We have seen a very sharp movement. See, in this particular day we have seen a huge range, and on this particular day also we have seen a sharp reaction. And see, in this zone again there is this candle which is very sharp, and again immediately we have seen a green candle which has got a pretty sharp momentum, and even this day has become a trending day. Even this candle right here, the red candle opening there, and we have seen a pretty good momentum towards the downside. So this entire range here for the Bank Nifty is kind of acting as a sideways zone, where see this entire zone is acting, Bank Nifty is going all the way up and down in this sideways zone. And we are seeing this kind of momentum from the last couple of days, and that of course is coming after a very good rally started from October last week. And we have continuously seen all-time highs for some, see, from here. Yeah, from here we have seen continuously all-time highs for most of the days in the last year towards the end. But it is struggling right now to come out of this range. Let's see how this is going to perform. So that is how this is looking on Bank Nifty. So we don't have proper direction in the Bank Nifty on a daily time frame to come to a conclusion on the major trend of Bank Nifty. So let's now check the position in the Nifty, how the Nifty is looking on a daily time frame. So here we have the daily time frame of the Nifty. So even here the situation is not different. So Nifty is trading sideways from last many days. Okay, it is in this zone even after yesterday's green candle. Here today, in spite of seeing a gap up opening, we have seen a negative candle close. We have seen a negative close for the Nifty as well. So even here we have seen Nifty performing in sideways direction. Nifty is in sideways direction. So in this zone, even here for the Nifty, we are seeing some sharp momentums coming from say 21,750 level. That's this is the level. Okay, so we have seen a pretty sharp momentum towards the downside. Here also we have seen a pretty sharp momentum towards the downside. So until it comes out of this zone, even Nifty is in the sideways momentum, sideways range on a daily time frame. So these are the levels to watch if you are a positional trader. But if you are a daily trader, all you have to worry about is about your 5 minutes chart, and the chart that is immediately there on your left. That's it. Okay, so this is it for the Bank Nifty and Nifty on a daily time frame. Both are in a sideways market, so we cannot predict about the direction of for the Bank Nifty or the Nifty. Both are not bullish, both are not bearish, but they are in a consolidation range. They are in a sideways momentum. So now let's see how what we can learn from Bank Nifty 5 minutes chart from a very fresh chart, that is today's chart. Okay, so here we have the 5 minutes chart of Bank Nifty. All we have to do is, let's see, it has opened here at 47,500 levels. Immediately what you have to do is you have to look on the left and see, mark your immediate swing highs and lows. So this is the previous day's swing high, one of the previous day's swing high, and that is towards the downside. And towards the upside, somewhere here, this entire zone is swing as a kind of resistance zone for the Bank Nifty. So we have a pretty good range here. We have seen a market opening at a place where the day before yesterday we have seen a great fall towards the downside. So here now all we have to do is wait for the swing highs and lows to form. As you can see here, we have seen a swing high getting created, which definitely is going to act as a resistance area. And here we have seen a swing low getting created, which is definitely going to act as our support area. As you can see now, all you have to do is wait for the Bank Nifty to come into that zone and see how it's going to react. Okay, so this cannot be taken as some candlestick pattern in order to trade towards the upward direction, because only here you will know, only after a couple of candles, only here you will know that this is your swing low. Okay, so that's not a proper reaction, so a proper place to enter. But this is a kind of yes, because it is a bullish engulfing pattern, these two candles put together. But immediately after this, okay, let me just zoom in a bit. Yeah, but immediately after this candle, you have this line above, so it's not a good location. But here you have seen a breakout towards the upper side, but then it's a kind of failed breakout with this candle, and this is a harami candle formation. So from there you can expect market to come down. It indeed it has come down, but you cannot take a trade there depending upon your risk versus reward ratio, because there you enter, this becomes your target and that becomes your risk. So you have to risk this much, you have to risk this much in order to get only this much. Okay, so that's not an ideal position as well for the Bank Nifty. And now after 10 o'clock, sorry, 10:50 is the time where you have seen a breakout towards the downside, but then immediately you have seen a non-confirmation candle. There's no confirmation candle in a red color, so this is again not a good move. But so in order to to take any call option here, immediately you are sitting at, so you are sitting very close to this topmost level of your support level, so not a good chance there. Here you've seen a breakout, and then again you have seen a failed candle there, so which has given us a close right, yeah, here this candle 11:45 candle has given you a close exactly around just underneath this line. So this is kind of positive situation uh, for you, I mean negative situation, uh, to know that the market is showing some signs of bearishness to come to this level. Okay, to come to this level or even this level, because that is the swing low on the left. Okay, so here one might have taken a trade, but that didn't work out because you have seen a break, you have seen a close above this. So this here in this scenario, okay, this could have been a trade, but that was a stop loss. Okay, here this there is a good risk versus reward ratio, so yeah, we have every reason to take a trade there towards the downside, but it didn't work out. But then immediately again you have seen a failed breakout at 11:55, so there you should have again taken a trade with this as your target. Your target is very close, so not very good risk versus reward ratio there. And again, so like that, see, by now you have seen that prices are spending too much of time within this area. So now this area will slowly start to lose its importance and significance. For the Bank Nifty to stop it as support, to act as a support level in this case. Okay, so in that case what should you do is, you should simply take everything off, and then see, if you are here, all you have to do is to look towards your left and see where is your support level, and if you're here, look towards your left and see where is your resistance level. So like that, so now imagine now you are at 1230 level, and now this is your support level, and you have seen a breakout here, but then that is interfering with this area right there. Let me show you. There is another swing there. Okay, and also another swing which is very close, all these weak reactions area. As you can see, they all will come into one zone. Okay, yeah, now I think you are able to understand. Okay, we are talking about, okay, this swing, this rejection, we are talking about this swing high. Okay, and we are also talking about these swing highs, these needles there. Okay, so now you can see that prices have come here, and they are kind of forming. Okay, they couldn't break out from this, but then it has given you a red candle. Some might have seen an opportunity here at exactly 12:45 candle entering there, but uh, with this as your support, sorry, target, and this as your stop loss. Okay, so there's no good risk versus reward ratio here too, so that's gone. And others might have seen an opportunity there, because that is another a strong reaction from the top, a strong rejection from the top, and from there to here. So here we have 70 around 75 points of uh, s- sorry, 0.75 is the risk versus reward ratio here. So those might have not seen an entry option here, but those who have doubted this red candle, okay, in this case all you have to do is switch on your volume and see how your volume is, what's the story of volume there. So as you can see here, volume is as good as your green bar on the left. So this is not a great scenario for the bank nifty to go up, because even when the bank nifty started to come down, here you are seeing a volume as good as your left side bar, that is your green bar. Okay, let's imagine even there you haven't seen any opportunity. So here you have seen a breakout. So no, definitely not a confirmation candle there. So one might have again taken a trade there with this as their stop loss, and that as the target. So here again you have seen a stop loss of 24 points. So on a total, we have seen a stop loss of 24 points here, and a very not a great place. Okay, so let me, yeah. So so till then, you might have seen, see, even if you're following a price action, so you might have seen a couple of stop losses. Some might have taken entries here, some might have taken entries here, some might have taken entries here. So this is definitely a confused action for a trader. Okay, this is definitely an irritating zone for a trader, because you have seen prices going all the way up, down, all the way up, down, and all. Okay, so that's something that you have to accept from the market every, if not every now and then, uh, in a very rare case scenarios. Okay, but look what has happened at 12:25. Okay, so after 12:25 you have seen a candle which is not a confirmation candle, but it is a doji candle. Okay, so a doji candle, and which has got a lower high than previous candle. Okay, so let me just zoom in a bit. Okay, here this candle, okay, it has got a high there, and previous candle has got a high there. So it has got a close here, and it has got a close there. So it has a kind of given you a lower high, lower close, and lower low scenario. But we are humans, right? We are not a traders which with supercomputers in our hand. Okay, so in that live moment you might have missed that, but so some might have been thinking that this is not a confirmation candle. But if you see the real bodies, this candle 130 candle real body is way below the previous candle's real body. You can see the gap. Okay, and you can compare the highs which are lower, you can compare the closes which are lower, you can compare the lows which are lower. So only for those people, okay, those who have seen that much of difference would have seen some opportunity there. Okay, there with this as their stop loss and this as the target. But here you don't have proper risk versus reward ratio, so what to do? Nothing. We just wait. We'll just wait until we see a next reaction, which is this is your support swing low reaction from the left. So here we have seen a breakout, and then this has become another area. So because this is another swing low reaction from the left, right? So there we have seen a breakout here, which is a very big candle. In fact, that's a very strong drop. But the next candle immediately, okay, but the next candle immediately is not so confirmation candle. It, in fact, it is a green candle. Okay, so if you look on the left exactly when prices are there, if you look on the left, you can see that there is one swing low which is coming from the left. So again, what we do is we will simply draw an area there which is going to act as a support. Now you have to just wait and see. Now you just have to wait and see. Now you see here you have seen a green candle formation at 2:15 p.m. and from there, okay, if you have checked your risk versus reward ratio, where this, okay, wait a minute, yeah, so where this is your risk, yeah, that's your candle low, yeah, so this candle's close should be your entry, yeah, now this is your risk. And now your target, where is your target? This is your target. See here you have 1.5 times of your risk versus reward ratio. Okay, so here in this case you have seen a target of 107 points. Okay, that is how it works. So after that you see it has reached your next target level, and after that you see it has almost reached your next third target level also there. You have seen a wick there, so that means that the market is there at one time. But from when the market is there, your stop loss should be trailing somewhere around here. So let's imagine that you have exited only there. So but still it's a good 136 points of momentum in the bank nifty. Okay, so it's okay to see couple of stop losses. We cannot get away with this. Here we have seen a loss somewhere here in this range. We have seen some loss, but that's okay. At the end of the day, if you are still patient enough, if you still have hope on the price action, then you might have seen some profit somewhere here around 2:15 p.m. Okay, that's how the markets are today, and hope this video helped you to certain extent to understand something out of today's price action. All right, so that's it for today. See you in tomorrow's video. Until then, please subscribe and stay tuned and happy trading. See you in our next video. Thank you.